Here are the materials needed for straight-through cable.
Using the crimping tool or wire stripper, carefully remove the about 1 inch of the cable jacket. After that, arrange the wires. The correct wire order for T568B is the white orange, orange, white green, blue, white blue, green, white brown, and brown. Both ends must have the same color order. Make sure wires are straight, colors are in the correct order, wires are aligned evenly. So here I finish arranging the wires in the correct order. Now I cut the wire evenly using a crimping tool. Now insert into RG45 connector. Hold the connector with the clip facing down. Slide the wire inside. Ensure all wires reach the end and verify the color order again. Is this okay? So here, let's test the cable to ensure it is working.
Uy, baitan! 8!
Pagdali!
Sa alam, saan natin siya? Wala,
Nung
nagtulog.
nagagana, bahala ka diha.
Ay, masumanan ako. Yaom na na-video na ako.
Ah, ayun na.
Isa!
Kung saan ako ay straight through.
So as you can see, it is working, and that's how you make a straight through cable. Bye!